Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the 5 best handbags for spring and summer, plus a reveal at the end of this video, so please stay tuned for that. Now, if you're new to my channel, I'm Jamie. I do videos on luxury, handbag reviews, and a lot of neutrals on this channel. Now let's get right into the list. I have a great selection, starting with number 1. It's a tote. Now this one is the Dior book tote. I actually got this one a few weeks ago and I am just loving it. Of course, I love the beautiful prints, the aesthetics, so great, but nothing like a tote where you can just put things into this big hole in the middle and it can carry everything. Another great tote option is the Longchamp. I've used Longchamp totes for years. I'm back in college, still using these totes to this day. I've actually expanded my collection. But yes, I think this one, it's so durable with the nylon material. Plus, I love how easy the Longchamp totes can fold up. Make them such an easy thing to travel with. Now, the Longchamp tote comes in a variety of colors. So this is where you can really have something more personalized. And of course, I picked the beautiful beige color. If you do have any issues, you can take that in and they will fix the material from what I gather. I know some of them in the community, like Flo, she has experienced that and they've taken great care of her Longchamp tote. So these two I would definitely recommend as my top 2 tote recommendations. My second pick is a mini bag. I'm in love with this cute little mini Lulu. This is actually the toy size and I think it's amazing. It's the perfect type of like day to night bag. Obviously you can wear it multiple ways. There is a crossbody strap that I use. Pretty much that's my main way of using this bag. And you can also just use it like a cute little clutch like this. And again, I think it's great for when you want to travel, very hands-free with the crossbody option. I love how it still has all the compartments so you can fit a lot in this small and mighty bag. The colors are so beautiful combined with the hardware, so chic and elegant. Now YSL makes some beautiful handbags. This Lulu is one of my all-time favorite styles coming out of the design house. I highly recommend it. The Lulu does have a couple different sizes. I think my favorite size is the toy size because you have more functionality. I will say that with the shoulder YSL, I have a Chanel 19, which is, to me, it kind of competes. So I like having more versatility with having it in this toy size. Another great mini bag option, I use my Louis Vuitton Pochette accessoire. This is one of my go-to pieces whenever I travel because it's so easy, grab and go. And technically this is an SLG, but again, I use it like a handbag. I love how it's so carefree because of the monogram, the canvas here. It makes it so carefree. You don't have to worry about anything. If I'm going, say, wine tasting or out to dinner, no worries with this type of handbag. Plus, I love how it can easily like tuck into other handbags and it makes it so grab and go. If you notice, I actually put a strap on. This is from my toy Lulu, just to give it some more functionality other than the shorter strap that it comes with. And you can obviously put in a chain strap or anything else. Now, this is actually one of my first handbags in my collection, and I still use it to this day. So again, I think everybody needs like an easy, carefree type of handbag in their collection. And for me, this has been my go-to for years. So my third bag is a light colored bag. With this one, I have 2 perfect options for you guys. The first one is the Lady Dior in this beautiful color Fard. Fard is like a blush color, so that perfect pink brown blend. I get a lot of questions about that, so I just want to make sure. This is one of their classic colors for Dior. I think this is one of the best bags to use in spring and summer because of this beautiful neutral palette. Plus, it's so great with the handles at the top. It does come with a great strap that I can wear crossbody or on the shoulder. I really love a good top handle, so most of the time I am carrying it like this. I think it gives a good change up from a lot of my Chanel collection, which is why I really do love to gravitate toward this handbag. Now my second one, I don't think any of you would be surprised by me bringing out the classic flap from Chanel. This is my beloved 19B classic flap. This is my all-time favorite. It's like cool coffee tones. But yes, I think you just need a great neutral handbag in your collection. It just works so great when you have the whites, creams in that palette that you tend to bring out for the summer months. This is, again, the classic flap in the medium size, and I think the medium is honestly the best size. I do love the small though, but if I did have to pick one, I'd probably go with the medium just because you get a little bit more capacity in it, and it's so classic to the Chanel design house. My fourth bag is a crossbody. I have the Chanel 19 as my favorite crossbody in my entire collection. I think it's so great. Again, love a good top handle, but the strap is pretty amazing. It is comfortable. It's not super heavy, even though it has these metal chain bits. But if you love Chanel, and the puff quilts here just get me every time, I cannot get enough of this bag. And it's so comfortable, especially how it just lays against your body, and it's a great everyday option. This is a lambskin, but I will say it does have a nice coating to it, so it seems pretty durable. Yeah, I just love the delicious caramel puffs on this. The big back pocket makes it so easy to put pretty much anything, and it's pretty spacious. I did add a organizer in it to just help with some of the structure, but this Chanel 19, they come out with so many delicious colors. When I saw this one in this color, this is from the 21P collection, I knew I had to add it to my collection. I love it. I use this one so much. I rotate between the classic flaps and this bag all the time. And this is like a great year-round bag for me. It's a little bit more on that pricey side because it is from Chanel. Not as expensive as the classic flap, but still we're talking about $5,000 price tag. Now my last pick is a white handbag. It's actually in this box that we'll get to in a second, but I think a white handbag is perfect for spring and summer. Again, I think some of you may already know what this is because I have talked about it before on my channel a couple times, but again, so excited to add this one to my collection. Yes, so let's get into the reveal of my new white bag. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly love doing these type of videos. It's just a much more curated view of a collection. Which one was your spring and summer favorite? I'd love to hear it in your comments below. And with that, I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.